Hi, I'm Margot Harrigan, the Executive Director for Living Classroom. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for your generosity and support this year.
Because of you, 8,800 children have watched science come alive and benefited from our hands-on garden-based lessons. We couldn't do it without your support.
During the 2019-2020 school year, we taught at 20 schools and delivered 681 lessons prior to school campus closures. In response to schools closing in mid-March due to the pandemic, Living Classroom responded by donating more than 400 pounds of produce from our school gardens, and we recorded 20 short videos of our outdoor-related activities.
On behalf of Living Classroom's board, staff, and volunteers, thank you again.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.